Hey everybody, I'm Brandon Gracely. I teach high school computer science. I want to talk to you about one way to approach application development, and that is from a user interface perspective. So you start sort of imagining yourself as a user and what you want to experience when you use an application. So here I have the beginning of a game, the ongoing saga. I type in my name here in this field, and I'm going to press this button, and as soon as I do, there will be a response from the program. I've already programmed a little bit of this in here. So when I click that button, I see a new screen. Now, at the very beginning, I just had an idea in my head of what I wanted to have happen when that button was clicked. I have a splash screen, and then I have this sort of major game screen. And maybe there would be other different views and different screens that I would need to have available for the game, depending on what happens. Now you see here, I also have a series of buttons. Those are the different actions that my character can take, some statistics about them, and sort of this story that is taking place over here on the left-hand side. So all of these components are things that the user has to be able to see, but does not have to know what exactly will happen behind the scenes if I were to click the attack button. I know that my character should attack this character, but I don't have to know how the game will decide precisely the details of what will happen. I just know that that should represent the attack action for my character. The other details are left up to the system. Over here, I've got a file menu with a new game and an exit button. Exit will close the application. New game brings me back to this splash stream, so I can start over again. So in a nutshell then, the idea is that you worry only about what the user will experience and not how any of it actually works in behind the scenes. You don't worry about probabilities of whether or not my attack will be successful or will I be able to run away. None of that matters right now. All that matters is that you have a good handle on what the user should experience as they are using the application. So that's a user interface stance when you are looking at beginning a new application design. Thanks.